show you, I guess, a blow piece and a solid piece, or can be one piece together. Let's see. So you can see the most important things about the real Murano glass. First of all, I tell you, I tell you, you can take picture or video, and if you want, you can put on TikTok, on Instagram. Everybody's doing that now. Anyway, we start to make glass more or less 1,000 years ago. We did start here in the main island of Venice, where you are now. But unfortunately, we need to change place more or less 700 years ago. If you are people that like to know the date, was exactly 1291. Okay, 734 years ago, the Doge, the Prime Minister of Venice, decided to stop to make the glass here in the main island because it was too dangerous for the time. Consider now it's not dangerous anymore, but we are still using gas with a high temperature. Consider where you came from. All over, most of you, where you came from? England, US? Canada, US. So consider we go 2,500 up to 2,700 Fahrenheit degrees. So you understand, I can not a small oven like this, and big ovens like 3 or 4 times this one here. Anyway, was dangerous because we did use wood for the flame, and the ovens were big, wide, like this room. Consider at the end of the 13th century, there were too many fires in town caused by the Venetian glass. So as I told you before, 700 years ago, no more glass in Venice, and the glass factory was transferred in another island. It's not finished at all, wait a second. Transferred in another island, part of Venice, which is the name of Murano. That's why the name comes from. So Murano is not the name of a technique or the name of the founder master. It's the name of the place where we still make the glass. So if it's not made in the island of Murano, if you see on Google Map, you can see here Venezia, which is a sort of fish shape. On the north, just 1 mile on the north, you see Murano. Anyway, over there we make all the beautiful glass you can see later in the show. Vabbè, adesso mi domando è in caso. Ma se no avevo una libera o no? Una, poi adesso mettiamo una perché se qualche numero non fa bene. Try to guess what it is. Now the master told me he make a special for you. Basically, he did make the down part. I'm sorry. The down part was a part of a bottle of 15th century bottle. Normally, he finished by opening the mouth by doing an handle. But right now, the master is making a horse on the top to give you an idea how we make the solid glass. But this is not a simple horse, but a very famous horse in Italy. You know what it is? Especially men's know like this. It's the symbol of the Ferrari car. The rampant horse.
It's a horse and a Ferrari.
Anyway, to become a master, no school. It's still a family tradition passed from father to son. Minimum 15 up 20 years of apprenticeship to be considered master. The only problem that right now there are not so many people, so it's disappearing little by little. Was simple, isn't that? Looks simple, isn't it? Want to try? Take a look at this. Almost ready because the glass is still soft. There you go. He has a piece of paper there. Why? Take a look. The glass is still very hot. So we need to avoid the thermal shock. Practically, if I leave the piece over here, in 3 minutes the glass explodes in 1,000 pieces. To avoid it, not today we throw away. In the regular production in Murano, we need to cool down for minimum 24 hours. And we get a very, very strong glass. So we can continue with the decoration. Did you enjoy? Yeah! You are not obliged, then you come from US, you know. We appreciate the tip if you want to be to the market. If not, don't worry. Let's follow me in the next room because my boss told me to go upstairs. Upstairs really is a little bit better place if you want to go. If it's not a problem for you, we do other 10, 15 steps and we go upstairs. If you don't want to make any more steps, we go in the next room. It's a little bit smaller, but you can see the best things anyway. Whatever. What we do?
What are we going now?
No, now? Okay. Let's go.